Hi guys, so today we're gonna install our YP Audi external. This is a camera add-on for an Audi S4. So we have a video that shows how to install the system. Some of the connections that we have, the data communication is behind this glove compartment. So now we're gonna show you how to remove the glove compartment. This can work for a few different reasons, if you need to hide the modules there or anything else. So we're just gonna show you how to remove the glove compartment. So there's a few items I'm using. We got one more. Okay, so the tools I'm going to be using, I have an extension, I have my drill with a magnetic 8-bit, I have my angle, screwdriver, and a popper. I'm not sure I'm going to have to use this, but I'll just bring it just in case. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove the side cover in here. We have screws behind this area. I'm going to put it here. So we have one screw in here. We have one and two screws under the drawer. And then we have, show you this inside. So we have 3 screws in this area on the top. I'll try to show you this. So 1, 2, and 3 screws in here. There's screws in this area. Now there's also a screw inside that is kind of in an angle. You see it there? Oh. Okay, so there's one screw in this side, and there's also another screw hidden behind this piece. So this piece is pretty simple to take out. You just push it towards you, it comes out, and there's a hidden screw in there. Okay, I'll transfer the camera back. So, the screws here, and I'm going to remove with my angle. The angle I'm using for the top screws. When I move the 2 internal screws, I'm using my extension here. And the last 2 screws I'm going to remove, it's going to be the bottom screws, and then the drawer will be easy to come out. All my screws are out. The drawer will slide towards me. Oh, sorry. A couple more screws inside. On top here. Forgot about them. One. And 2. So in the front here we actually have 4 screws. 2 are in the external shelf, the other ones are 2 hidden in the more internal shelf area, and then our door completely come out. Okay. Now you have different connectors in here. You can just remove those connectors, and it will be easy for you to remove the drawer and work. The location that we have to work for this video is our this box in here, we have the data communication wires, so we have to connect them in there, but pretty much that's it. The drawer is all out. Okay, we'll check the next video to see how the system complete installation.